Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in Google Plus for Business, we'll discuss about networking concept. What is basically networking? How you network with the other users? How you interact and communicate with the users on Google Plus? What is that Google Plus offers in terms of networking and creating an awareness on Google Plus? Google Plus networking concept. Let us try to understand this. Networking concept is based on the circles. Each social media site they have their own set of features. Twitter has it is called a microblogging site and it has 140 character tweets that you can send across. Facebook has got its own concept of actually sending an invitation to the users and they join you and you actually become friends and you interact and engage with each other. LinkedIn has got its own concept of engaging and interacting. You connect with the other users, with the other professionals. When they accept your invitation, you connect with each other. Each one have their own concept of networking with the other users. Similarly, Google Plus has got its own concept of networking and that is called as circles. You create circles. You create circles of your friends, you create circles of your family, you create circles of your acquaintances, or you can create circles of any other group. And once the circle is created, the people within that circle engage, interact and communicate with each other. And this is basically the concept of Google Plus. Create circles of friends, family and acquaintance. You can create them individually and you actually create, basically it is, in other words, is a group. That is precisely what Google Plus calls it as a circle. Communities based on interest. The communities can be based on the interest, the likes, the hobbies. These are basically how you go about creating your network on Google Plus. Now what we'll see right now is we are going to see how the circles and the communities are created with a live demo. We'll log into a business account on Google Plus and we'll create circles and we'll create communities through a practical demo. Let us check them out how you can go about doing it. Right now what we are going to do is we are going to create circles and communities in a Google Plus account. How you can actually go about creating circles and communities in a Google Plus account. Right now we are logged into a Google Plus account. On the left side you will see home, discover, communities, profile, people, notifications and settings and all this information is available. And right now we are logged into a Google Plus account. Now what you need to do is if you want to create a circle, first and foremost you need to click on the people here on the left side. If you click on people here, what you will get is you will get three tabs here: find people, following and followers. Now if you want to create a circle of the people whom you are following, what you need to do is you keep on stay on following, and if you scroll down a bit here you will see already existing circles here. There are three circles available, one of friends, families and acquaintances, and on the bottom you will see create new circle or a new circle here. If you need to create a new circle here, click on new circle. Once you click on new circle, it will ask you the name of the circle that you wanted to create. Circle is basically a group that with whom you will be interacting, communicating and engaging on a particular topic, and this is basically what circle is all about. By default this circle will be named your circles. You can change the circle settings menu at any given point of time. Now let us say for example I want to create a circle of a group called digital marketing. Now this is the name of the new circle that I am going to create. Now I have given a name here. What I need to do is just click on the create button, and when you click on the create button, a digital marketing circle will be created for you. Now let us see here, you have the circle here available. This is actually empty right now because this is the circle that we have created just now. Now if you click on this button here, you will see circle settings, post from circles or delete circle. You can actually create a settings for this particular circle, post from this circle. If you want to click on this circle, you will see all the posts that have been posted in this particular circle. Or if you want to delete the circle, you can always go about deleting this particular circle. Now if you click on the post circle, there are no posts available because actually we have created this circle just now. This is how actually you can go about creating circles and inviting people into this circle and go about actually interacting, communicating and engaging with the people. And you can find people and invite these people into this particular circle. And this is how you can actually go about creating a circle on a particular name, whatever the name that you want to create a circle, and go about interacting, communicating with the people involved in that particular circle. Now the next what we are going to do is we are going to create communities. How you can actually go about creating communities in Google Plus. If you see here on the left side, home, discover, communities, profile, people and notification. Click on the communities button and you will see here actually no communities as yet now. Join or create a community and it will show up here. Now here you need to click on the community. What is that community that you want to create? Name of this community. What is this community going to be on one particular subject? Now let us say I want to again create a circle on digital marketing, a community that I want to create, a community that will be interacting, communicating and engaging with each other on this particular topic. And next option is public, visible to anyone. If you want to choose this option, you can choose this option. If you want to keep it private, only invited members can join and see this community content. Only the people whom you invite will be able to see the content posted on this particular community. But if you want to make it public, it will be publicly available for each and everybody. Ask to join, people will need to ask you to join. If you keep this option open, people will be asking to join it. If you won't invite them, you will be coming, or if you keep this option off, then it will be off. And this is how you can actually go about creating a community on Google Plus. Let's say create community. This is the name that I have given. If you click on done, we are done. We have basically created a community just now. Now this is actually a community within a Google Plus account. If you want to moderate here, actually you can go about moderating here and hold post for review. If you can turn review and post before they post. Now what you are basically doing to this, people are joining this community, they will be interacting and communicating. Since you have created this community, you will become the moderator. Hold post for review. Say for example, review and approve post before they get seen by the community. It is up to you. You turn it on. The post will be actually whose post you want to review, only members or everyone. Say for example, if you say everyone, it is turned on right now. This is how you can actually go about creating communities and these circles on a Google Plus account. Hello and welcome back. What we have just seen is we have logged into a business account and we have actually went into a business account and we have created circles and we have created communities, and this is precisely how you go about doing it. Some of the circles best practices that you can implement: optimize the business page first and foremost. When you create a circle or a community, you need to make sure that you have a business page completely optimized in terms of what is your business, what is the profile offers, what are the products, services or solutions your business is offering. Engage with circles and communities. Just because you create a circle or a community doesn't mean that is the end of it. The engagement is the most crucial part. How you interact, communicate and engage with the other users is what matters at the end of the day. Share and disseminate quality information. The quality of the information that you share and disseminate is actually the bottom line. The content that you build, the content that you share, the kind of curiosity that you generate, the kind of engagement that you do, that actually is what leads you to generating the leads, the clicks and the customers. Engage with communities consistently. The consistency on not just on Google Plus but on any other social media platform is very crucial element of actually generating the business, the kind of business that you want to generate. The more consistent that you are, the better. Consistently simply does not mean that you go on posting at will, and that is not going to work. You have to have a calendar and you need to know exactly what you need to post and when you need to post and what date you need to post. Listen and convert. Google Plus or any other social media platform is all about listening and understanding to the users, listening and understanding your audience, listening and understanding the people who are engaged with you. The more you listen, the better you will be in a much better position to offer them the right kind of solution. The more you listen, the better you will be able to provide a customized solution. So talk less and listen more. That should be the way forward. Don't go about talking more or explaining your business, explaining the kind of business that you are, the services, the solution, or whatever the product that you are selling. That will come later, but first and foremost, listen and understand what the users are saying. Then you offer the solution. Then you tell them this is what it can be done, this is how it can be done, this is what we can be done, and this is our past performance, these are our credentials. Click on that link, they'll come to your website when they have complete confidence in you that you are the right kind of business that can offer them the right kind of solution. So listen first, then convert. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is Google Plus, the networking concept, creating circles and communities, and of course the circles best practices. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.